Hey, I'm Taylor Ryan from theartofweightlifting.com and from liftingrevolution.com, the greatest place where you can get all of your female fitness questions all answered. And today I want to show you some of the best tricep exercises. Now, the tricep is that sexy muscle right behind our arm that we love to show off, especially during the summertime when we have nice sleek arms that we want to show off in our dresses and our bathing suits. With the tricep, it's called that tri because it actually hooks to our body at 3 different what's called heads. So with these exercises, we want to make sure that we're really hitting all 3 of those locations to make sure that we get the best tricep workout. So with the first exercise, all you're going to need for all of these exercises is just 1 single dumbbell, okay? And then you're going to need a chair or a bench or something. Now, I've got my 15-pound dumbbell, but you can use any weight to get started and to feel comfortable. The first exercise we're going to do is a tricep extension. You want to keep your nice stable stance with your legs shoulder width apart, a slight bend in your knees to really make yourself have a nice strong stance, okay? And like all of the exercises that I always show you, you want to make sure to be squeezing your core. So what we're going to do is we're going to extend it all the way up and over our head, elbows in close to our ears, and slowly lower it all the way back and push it straight up and up. Keep your elbows in the whole time, your head looking forward, never down. Now let me turn around. This is a great tricep exercise and a great exercise for our back. With the next exercise, we're going to put a variation on the push-up. We're actually going to be doing what's called a close grip push-up. This is a really hard one, so if you need to start off by just doing it on your knees, you can. But definitely push yourself to get the full workout going. Now I'll do it right up here so you can get a great look at it. Get in a normal push-up position, but instead of our arms being shoulder width apart or a little bit wider, we want them real close together. And when I go into my push-up, I'm going to keep my elbows nice and close to my body the whole time. Make sure your core is nice and tight, your body's not sinking, and elbows stay hugging you the whole time, trying to get your chest as low as you can. Now notice I'm not looking down at my feet, but I'm looking straight in a neutral position, straight down. That, I'm telling you, is a great tricep exercise. You'll feel it the first rep. Now the next exercise, it's one of my favorites, and I think I like it just because of the name. But we're going to do what's called a skull crusher, and you're going to need your dumbbell again for this one. And I'm going to pretend that this bench is my bench at the gym, but you can do this anywhere. Let me move my microphone. I'm going to lay all the way down, grab my weight. And it's called a skull crusher because we're actually going to crush our skull, so to speak. You're going to keep your elbows nice and straight, all the way up over your chest. You're going to bend that weight until it touches your forehead, and then push it right back up. And down. Make sure that your arms stay nice and straight the whole time. You don't want your elbows to buckle out or in. Nice and straight. And nice and controlled. Once again, make sure you're squeezing that core because you want to keep your back nice and straight on the ground. And then the final exercise, we are going to do our dips. Now, you can use a chair, you can use a bench, you can use whatever you have available. The trick with your dips is the farther your feet are away from you, the harder that it's going to be. So if you're new at all of this, start with your feet closer. Now start with your hands, palms on the bench, walk your feet out, and once again, just like all the exercises, to really hit those triceps, we want to keep our elbows tucked in. And we're going to squat all the way till your bottom's almost to the ground and your arms are parallel to the ground. This is a great shoulder move too, working the tops of our shoulders to really sculpt a great look. And I'm crunching a leaf as I go down. And keep your head facing forward the whole time. Nice, tight stomach, and squeeze those arms. So those are the best tricep exercises you can do. Give them a shot. Let me know if you like them.
So if you like this video and you're interested in losing body fat and seeing some great results for yourself, I've actually created a free report. And if you're interested, all you have to do is click on the URL below and put in your email address.